Okey Dokeys!
Hello, crochet enthusiasts! Today at Okey Dokeys, we're diving into one of the most useful tools in crochet, stitch markers. These tiny tools are like magic wands for your projects, so let's learn how to use them. Stitch markers are small helpers that you can clip into your crochet work. They come in various forms, from safety pins to simple rings, and they help mark crucial points in your project, ensuring you never lose your place. Use stitch markers to mark the beginning of rounds, which is super helpful for projects like hats or amigurumi. They're also great for counting stitches. Just place a stitch marker every 10 or 20 stitches, and don't forget to mark where special stitches need to go. It's simple to use stitch markers. After making a stitch, insert the marker directly into the stitch or loop. Remember to remove the marker as you get to it to keep your work tidy. A pro tip: use different colored markers for different tasks. One color for round beginnings, another color for special stitches. No markers? No problem. You can use safety pins, paper clips, or even other yarn pieces as substitutes. Just keep it loose to avoid tightening your stitches. And there you have it. With stitch markers by your side, you're ready to tackle any crochet project with confidence. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe for more handy crochet tips from Okey Dokeys. Happy crocheting!